Hi everyone, my name is Tyler Watson with Hali's Angels, the Hali Gillin Group. I hope you are safe and well. And I know we are living in unusual times, and I want you to know we are here for you. We are still open, still hard at work, and now putting on virtual showings where we walk through properties while you are able to view from the comfort of your home. Here's a quick example of what that looks like. Thank you, and stay safe.
I'm good, Ty. How's it going?
Good. I just got to the Palms unit. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around just to let you know if you want me to go back or anything, just let me know. You kind of are driving the bus right now.
Okay.
So with that said.
Wow. It's so bright.
I'm going to give you a quick pan just so you can see that's the living area.
Okay.
Into the bathroom. Again, it's 615 square feet. And then let me know where you want to start.
I think I'd like to start in that beautiful bathroom.
Okay.
Wow.
So you have the sink area, the toilet area. There's a separate tub and shower.
That tile is beautiful.
Yeah, it actually runs all the way out into the main area.
Does the mirror go from like all the way to the floor? Oh,
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
I'm just going to step back so you can see.
Wow. There's a lot of bathroom there. I love it.
Yes. It's pretty echoey inside here, so I'm going to be quiet when I walk into the tub area. It's really neat how they did the separate tub and shower.
It is. I think I even saw a rain shower head. Is that correct?
There is one.
I love that.
They did the frosted glass for privacy. Was there anything else in here you wanted to see, or?
No, let's check the rest of the place out.
Sure. So before I head in there, I just want to let you know there are 2 closets right here.
Okay. I didn't even notice those. That's pretty cool.
I'll go ahead and open one up. So you have a shelf up here. There's a little light. Here's your door, your entrance. This one is a mini bar fridge, since it is used to be a rental as well. Here's your fridge.
Okay.
Freezer combo. You do have 2 heating elements. Microwave. The kitchen sink does have a garbage disposal.
Great.
And then underneath is just storage.
The stainless is really, really striking. I love it.
Very modern. It's really nice. And then this is a pretty neat table. There is a dishwasher. It's just difficult to get to if you have the table right there. So you can slide that out. And then right here is your dishwasher.
Oh, that's really cool. What a clever use of space.
And you can lock this in so it doesn't have to slide. There's a little foot latch on the other side. And then real quick before we head into the main area, I just want to show you there is another closet right here.
Great. Let's check out this bedroom. Are those two TVs?
There are two TVs. You don't have to fight over the channel if someone else is here. Really nice size king bed. And it has mirrors halfway through, so it really opens it up.
And the mirrors are a great idea in the bathroom and in there.
Mm-hmm. You have a couch.
Does that couch, is it a sleeper couch? Does that pull out?
Let's check. Yes, it does.
Oh, that's awesome.
So you do have two beds if needed. And then the unit face west. This window actually will open up. There's a latch here, latch here, latch here.
That'd be nice for the winter months or the spring months and stuff.
Exactly. Really pretty mountains out there. I don't know if you can see it. We do have some snow on Mount Charleston.
Oh, I think I can see it. I bet that's beautiful at night, that view.
I'm sure it is.
So tell me, Tyler, are you able to order room service? Or how does that work?
So you are.
Okay.
It works just like a regular hotel. It has your dining options, all that kind of stuff. You just call down.
Okay. Now, what about, are you able to do housekeeping, or how does that work?
Housekeeping, yes. That is an additional cost, but you can add housekeeping.
Okay. And it has, so it's like a regular hotel, like there's a gym and a pool and all that good stuff?
Yes. Yes, so your HOA covers the gym, the pool, the fitness center. There's a spa there as well. If you do use it for any of the amenities, I believe that is an additional cost.
Okay. That's awesome.
Was there anything else you wanted to see inside here?
No, it's beautiful. Thank you.
You're very welcome. And if you want to see it in person or if you want to do any other of these showings, just let me know.
Okay, we'll be in touch. Thanks, Ty.
Great. Thank you.
Have a good one.